What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about my 1993 GMC Sierra, my OBS. I will be going over everything I've done to it, and I have a list. Hopefully I don't forget anything. I'm going to start here under the hood, everything I've done to it so far. So let's get started. This one here, the first thing I did was replace the hood insulation here, because the one that this truck had on it when I bought it, it was trashed. It was all in pieces. It was no good. So I got this one here and I love it. Everything fits perfect. All right, so that's the first thing here. I did the big 3 electrical upgrade. I did a 4-gauge big 3 kit on this. The next thing, the alternator. I upgraded the alternator. I believe the original was 105 or something like that, 105 amps. This one is 140 amps. I think Power Master. I bought it from Power Master. So that's the next thing. The other thing is I replaced the entire air conditioning system on this thing. Everything, air conditioning, the AC pump here, everything has been replaced. The condenser, the dryer, hoses, the compressor, so everything is brand new. The other thing is I have that power isolator there, because this truck stays parked for months, sometimes in the garage. I don't want the battery to drain, so when I park it in the garage, I isolate the battery from everything else, and that works. Another thing I have, I installed the remote start. I have an alarm with a remote start, and it works good. You probably saw a short on that and I'm showing you how it works. The other thing that you might notice here is a big old gap, a big old space in there. I got rid of the mechanical fan, and I replaced it with this electric fan here, and it works amazing. I love it. This thing, it fits perfect too. If you guys want to know more about this upgrade here, just let me know, and I'll explain to you guys exactly what I did. Let me see what else. All right, so under the hood, that's basically it. That's all I've done, other than keeping it clean. Yeah, I think under the hood, that's all. Oh, another thing I want to mention to you guys. When I first bought the truck, I bought it back in 2014, January 16, 2014, and I bought it with when I bought it, it had 86,850,000 miles. I'm the second owner of this truck. So yeah, all right. And I just wrote it on there just to remind myself when I bought it and how many miles. Battery, brand new battery, you know that. Okay, so this harness here, if you see this harness here, this is gonna be for my fog lights, okay? Because this truck was not equipped with fog lights, and that's the fuse for my sound system, and it's a 250 amp fuse. It goes inside. Okay, that's it. Under the hood, there's nothing much, nothing too crazy, just a couple upgrades here and there, mechanical most of it. And the next thing right here in the front is gonna be it's gonna be the headlights. I got the headlights and turn signals from eBay. I have HIDs 6K on this thing. All right, so I repainted the grill. Okay, I relocated the license plate holder there. The valence, I didn't have one. Well, it had one originally, but without fog lights. I installed the fog lights, and I also modified those. I have 6K HIDs on those things. All right, the wheels are 15x8 in the front, center line Scorpions. Tires 255/60/15s in the front. The rear is same thing. It's 15x10 in the rear, centerline Scorpions. These ones here are 10-inch wide with positive offset. I believe they're like 10 positive 10 offset. That's why they tuck in inside the fender. The tires back here are 275 60 15s. All right, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving on. The lowering kit right now, it has a 3-inch spring, lowering spring in the front. And what I did in the back, I did a flip kit, but I didn't want to go all the way to 6 inches, so it's got 5 inches. And to achieve that, I added a 1-inch lift shackle. So right now it's got 5 in the rear and 3 in the front. The tail lights, these are LED tail lights straight from eBay. Everything is original except for the bumper pads here. These are aftermarket, all 5 pieces. The top, that one side, that other side, and this other side. This 4 pieces, I'm sorry. Okay, I have LED lights for my license plate. I took those I took the letters off and I repainted them and re-glued them there. Okay, exhaust, let's see what else. Underneath the truck I have LED lights. I have underglow lights. They're white. I'm gonna show you a video of this later at night. I also have LED strips under the bed here, not under the bed but underneath this part of the bed. Again, you're gonna see it at night. And you're wondering, these wheels, I just bought these wheels. These are gonna go on the truck. These are 20 by 10s in the back, 20 by 8.5s or 20 by 9s in the front. Yep, I'm gonna switch those out. What do you guys think? You think I'm gonna keep these? I don't know. I want to keep them. At the same time I want to sell them. I don't know, but I've always wanted these wheels on this truck, and I finally got lucky enough that I was able to buy them. Okay, I was talking about the LED lights in the bed. You're gonna see that tonight. I'm gonna record a video of this tonight, and you'll see how it looks. The exhaust, it's I have a catback exhaust system. It's from Flowmaster. I can see it right there. Flowmaster. It's 50 series Flowmaster, and you can see the tips. The way I asked them to put the tips on this thing, they're like that. You can see them right there. Okay, all right, what else? Let's see. The tint, I have 20% my the driver's side and passenger side, and I have 5% on the rear. Okay, let's do this. Let's move inside. I'm gonna talk to you guys inside. As you can see, most of this truck is completely stock, original. Let's start on the door here. One of the mods I did was I installed this. I made this speaker pod right there, and I have the crossovers right there, tweeter, the mid, and it looks pretty. It looks good. Okay, have the other one on the other side. I have LEDs, blue LEDs right here. You're gonna see that at night as well. I have LED blue LED strips underneath the dashboard. What else? I changed out all my LED lights, all my regular halogen lights to LED lights on the dashboard. As you can see, it's got 107,000 miles. Everything here is kind of original. Okay, I just did an aftermarket radio there. The carpet is original. I just keep these floor mats here, but take a look at that. It's all original. Okay, the seats, all original. Let me go around this side so you guys can see the other side. Everything is just like it came from the factory, except for the floor mats. Same thing on this side. I have the crossover right there. Speaker pod, tweeter, same thing. As far as the sound system goes, I have this aftermarket stereo. I like it because it's Apple CarPlay, and it's a Bluetooth. So, and it works good. I like it. In the front here, I have 4x6 kickers. On the rear, I have 4x6 kickers. On the side here, I went with Light & Audio components here. Okay. Under here, I have what is it? I think it's 1,000-watt Orion mono block. And then on the other side, I have I think it's another 1,500-watt for the mids. Can't remember the brand. Back here, I have I have 4 subwoofers. I have two 12s. I have two 12s and two 10s here. So this thing, it's all right. Sounds good, but not enough. I'll be upgrading that sooner or later. Steering wheel is stock. All right, so that's it, guys. Okay, all right, guys. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will be working on the truck soon. I'm gonna be installing those wheels on the truck, and I'll show you guys how it looks with those wheels on. All right, so with that said, thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.